Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup EBS snapshots securely with AWS Backup step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Backup Service dashboard. Click on the Backup Plans option in the left-hand menu. Select the Create Backup Plan button. You will be presented with multiple options to create a backup plan. Choose the Build a New Plan option for a custom setup. Enter a name for your backup plan in the designated field. Optional, add a description for easy identification of the plan. Next, set your backup frequency by selecting a suitable schedule. Choose the backup window that aligns with your operational needs. Scroll down to configure lifecycle settings for your backups. Determine how long you want to retain your EBS snapshots. Set the transition options for moving backups to cheaper storage. Select the Resource Assignments tab to specify the resources to backup. Click on Assign Resources to open the Resource Assignment wizard. Here, you can specify which EBS volumes need protection. Choose to include tags if you want to filter your EBS volumes. After making your selections, confirm your resource assignments. Review your backup plan's details to ensure everything aligns with your requirements. Click on the Create Backup Plan button to finalize the setup. Your backup plan will now be visible in the AWS Backup dashboard. To initiate a backup, select your newly created backup plan. Click on the Create Backup Now option to start the backup process immediately. Monitor the status of your backup under the Backup Jobs section. You can track the success or failure of your backup jobs here. If needed, navigate to the Protected Resources tab to view the EBS snapshots created. Consider setting up notifications to stay informed about backup job statuses. Review best practices for backup and restoration to ensure data security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.